Alright guys, so as you saw in the intro, things can't always go your way. But today is day 3 of searching for the elusive Wahoo or Ono. And hopefully it's not like yesterday. Yesterday the water was just too murky and it's not fun swimming 4 hours by yourself in the murk. So this is what the water's looking like today. Although I'm not going to be diving on this side because you're not allowed to dive over here. Got my ghetto spoon rig on the ground. I'll show you guys how that works in the water. And yeah, hopefully just get lucky today. So on the way out for my dive, I found some plastic and decided to put it into my wetsuit just for some extra good luck. And it's always nice to clean up after other people. So these are the spoon flashers, so you just drop them. And while you jig it, it causes the spoons to reflect. Alright, so here's the clip. Here I'm starting to see Onos appear in every corner of my eyes. I couldn't believe it. There's so much going through my mind. Whether it was if I had a partner or an extra gun, the possibilities were endless. Alright, back to the clip.
up image, bringing back memories. It's I've been wasting like most of my life, watching pins and stripe. I wanna take back the hours we last singing lullabies, lullabies. No, no one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. We step on night to pass that time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. Lying, we're fine. We're stuck in thrillers, wishing for remedies. Oh, no one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. We step on night to pass that time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine. Lying, we're fine.
What is up, guys? So you saw in that last clip that I shot that Ono. Well, here's the Ono. Kind of stabbed it in the eye, trying to dispatch it.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
As we all know, what we didn't get with the first cut, we're just gonna go back and get it. And with that meat, what I like to do normally, just get some shoyu and just eat it raw like that. Sashimi. So good. Ten out of 10, recommend this, guys. Well, this is the part that you guys normally don't see. Got some sashimi there. Absolute mess in this kitchen. For this recipe, you're gonna need half an onion, half a bell pepper, cream cheese, your fish of choice, which is the Ono today, and some tortilla wraps. So you're also gonna need a tablespoon of olive oil to cook the vegetables in. After dicing up your vegetables, put them in the pan. A little crisp, but today I'm just gonna make it in the microwave. Alright guys, so we're just gonna saute these vegetables. Can't do that to save my life. So you're gonna add the fish in. Mix that up. pepper. And that is basically all you need, guys. Alright, so your tortilla should look like this with the cream cheese on it. And your fish should be all done by now. And basically what you're gonna do, you're just gonna dump it. And boom. That is how you make a fish burrito. Mmm. 10 out of 10, guys. Even though it's more of a burrito bowl now, it's still a 10 out of 10, guys, and I highly would recommend this. Alright, well, that's a wrap, guys. See ya. Alright, guys, so if you enjoyed that video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications, and just remember, each and every one of you guys count. You guys keep me pushing just so I can make better content and really just put more time into these videos. Alright, so for those of you guys that are just getting into diving, I highly recommend not to go out by yourself like you saw me do in this video, and to just dive with a partner always, and it's a lot more safer that way, just in case if something does happen. For me, I just have no partner and you gotta get out there, you know, but yeah, don't recommend that to you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed, and hope you guys have a great day, weekend, life.
My life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die.
After beating all odds, we finally got some Ono. Eating Ono while editing Ono because life is Ono. Chew.